letting go, yeah.
I went from Helly Hansons to mini mansions. The girls in Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing jars from brain through my circumstances, but you know.
Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in anytime I upload a new video. Hope everyone is staying safe at home. Hope we're all fine. So yeah, my name is Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian based YouTuber. This channel is actually called Onyinye Okeke's TV. Onyinye is my second name. Go ahead, if you are new here, just go ahead to click on the subscribe button to join the family. Today's video is on this wig, this beautiful wig I made. So this is like an updated version of it. I made this wig about 2 years ago. I decided to update or to do like an updated version of it this year. So if you like it, go ahead to give it a big thumbs up, share to friends and family, and watch the video from beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. It's very detailed and I love the hair. First, you need Ceres Xpression products, just one pack in color 1. I did not cut the length, I just install it like that, especially in the front, but for the back I decided to cut the length into 2. But for the middle, like I said before, for the middle I just cut the hair into 2. That's the Xpression product Ceres. I cut it into 2, which is called cut 2 here in Nigeria. Next is a dumb wig cap, and this one cost about 400 naira here in Nigeria. It used to be like 1.5 before, but right now it's 400-500 naira. First, now I'm going to start crocheting the middle first before I go ahead to do the rest part of the wig cap. And the crochet is the normal way. Just push the crochet pin in out of the wig cap, insert or attach extension to the crochet pin, and then close it and then drag it out so that it will form a loop. Pass the tip of the extension through the loop to tie the knots. You see, it's very easy. We just crochet round the middle first, the middle part first, before I go ahead to move over to the next step.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Once I'm done just picking up the hair, you know, into a pony, I'm hacking it into a pony, gradually picking the extension gradually. Wearing the hair now, and I'm applying gel so that the edges can lay, and I did this off camera as well. I did it off camera as well with a small comb or a brush. Here's the final look. Thanks for watching from the beginning to the end. Hope you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comment section if you will try this hairstyle, if you want to wear or you would like to wear something like this. Let me know in the comment section and tell me if it looks natural or it looks artificial. Let's get chatting in the comment section below. Do not forget to give the video a big thumbs up, share the video to friends and family, subscribe if you haven't. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.